Hey cousins, today we're having some brown stew chicken, and this is one of my go-to whenever I don't know what to make for dinner. It's simple and so easy to make, and it only take a few minutes. But it will only take you a few seconds to do me this tiny favor. Please like this video so that YouTube can suggest it to more people just like you. Alright, I'm gonna start seasoning my meat with a tablespoon of garlic salt, ground allspice, a tablespoon of black pepper, and all-purpose seasoning. And then I'm gonna use a tablespoon of browning or gravy maker, whatever you have. I'm using browning. Just rub it down real nice. You kind of just want to caress the seasoning in the meat like this. You know, when I was a boy, I hated touching raw meat. Ironically, I still do, but no, it's just one of those fears that I face more often than not. Since I'm always cooking, look at that. Yep, that's gonna be good. I'm gonna cut up some green bell peppers, not too small, just medium-sized chunks. I'm also adding some red bell peppers tonight for some more color. I'm doing this one the same size as the green pepper. We're gonna add some chopped onion, about the same size as the peppers. Then we're gonna dice a half tomato here for that delicious savory flavor. Next, we're gonna chop some scallion or green onion or whatever you call it. And I'm just gonna do these real fine so that it blends right in with the gravy. We want to add some thyme leaves, and we're going to dice about 4 pieces of garlic. Listen, I cook everything with garlic, so you vampires, you know you can't get to me. Next, we're going to add all that to the seasoned chicken marinating in the bowl, and just like mixing your powder seasoning, you're just going to mix in your veggies in with the meat. It should look like this. Now let's skip to the good part. Alright, there's many ways to do stew, but I like to brown my chicken in the hot oil first thing. I'm just going to place them in the hot pan here and let them catch some color. You want to turn so that all sides of the chicken get to that brown color that we're looking for. Oh yeah, so I'm using chicken thighs that I cut into small pieces, but brown stew works with almost all kinds of chicken. After a few minutes, you want to cover your pan, and the water from the chicken is going to make some gravy. Lord, jeez, it's smelling good. Adding all the veggies that were left in the bowl. I also added some water to the bowl so that it can cook down in it. I'm gonna add some sliced carrots also, and I'm gonna add about 1.5 spoons or 2 spoons of ketchup and just mix that in and let it cook. After about 5 minutes, I added a tablespoon of ginger powder, all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, and a tablespoon of allspice. Alright, we're almost done now. You know the deal. If you're a new cousin to my channel and already subscribed, I'm glad to have you as a part of the family. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I'm Dunks, and this is Eat with Dunks, where we make simple, creative meals that you can make on your own for yourself or your family. What are you waiting on? Go ahead and subscribe for some great recipes. Oh, and one more thing. Don't forget to like this video so that YouTube can suggest it to more people just like you that enjoy watching cooking videos. Anyways, I typically like my brown stewed chicken with rice, but today I'm having it with some dumpling, Irish potatoes, and some saltfish fritters. This can't be beaten, trust me. I even added some shredded cabbage salad on the side with some avocado. You know I'm always coming through with the avocado. Hey, check this out. Money. You can literally make this in about 30 minutes and you have dinner for your family. If you made it to the end of this video, comment fritters in the comment section to let me know. Thank you for watching, and let me know below how I did. Until then, I'll see you next week with a new recipe where we'll be eating with Dunks.